Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we've got an unboxing with a little bit of a rant. Now, we don't normally do rants on this channel, but we're going to make an exception for this one. So what are we looking at? Well, we are looking at the 85th anniversary Batman 10 film collection. Now, these are not the live action Batman movies. These are 10 of the animated movies. You have classics like Batman, Mask the Phantasm, and The Killing Joke. You have Batman and Harley Quinn, which is interesting when you have Batman Year One, Batman Gotham by Gaslight, one of the more polarizing of the animated Batman movies, but, you know, I actually kind of like it. Batman Hush, Batman Soul of the Dragon, Batman The Long Halloween, and Batman The Doom That Came to Gotham, which I'm going to be honest, I've not heard of that one. Now, I've owned a few of these, but for some of these, this is their first time on 4K. There's no Blu-rays, just 4K. As you can see, it's in one of these cases that holds a lot of things. I like the cover. I like how it shows off the different styles of Batman along with the classic Batman art there. You have this on the side, and on the back you see the discs. Apparently there's a little booklet here. They do list the movies that are rated PG, PG-13, and R. There's only one PG rated film. The rest are PG-13 and some are rated R. So this is not a set for kids. This will have Dolby Audio. I'm sure this is going to be a great upgrade from the Blu-rays. Now, here's where the rant's going to come in before we delve into the unboxing and what it looks like on the inside. You may have noticed this sticker here. Now, this sticker was a surprise to me, not because they put a sticker there, but because of what it says. Now, if we pull it forward, this is apparently a limited edition of 3,000. I got copy 821. Now, first of all, I did not know that this was going to be limited to 3,000 copies, and if you didn't know, that's kind of your clue that you might want to pick this up sooner rather than later. There's probably not going to be any discounting of this. But what's frustrating is that they numbered it on this sticker that's going to come off once you open the package. Now, that creates two problems. One, that means that the set is obviously going to be a little less valuable when you open it, because if you open it and you throw the sticker away, nobody knows what number it is. I have a hard time believing they couldn't like put the number on the bottom or even on the side. There's places they could have put that number, instead they put this little sticker on it. That's the cheapest way they can do that. And it's going to incentivize people to not open it. And people should feel like they can open it without missing something like this, because that's a pretty low number. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to preserve the sticker. You know, we're talking about a sticker here, but, you know, hey, now that since it's numbered, it's important now. So I'll show you what I'm going to do and what you can do. But if you didn't know that this was only a limited edition of 3,000, well, now you know. And now that you know that the only way your number is marked is through that little sticker there, well, that might actually be an encouragement to not open it, which I don't know. I like it when things are collectible, but I don't like it when it gets to that point. So let's move that aside for the time being. You can see, oh, that's really nice. That's really nice artwork. Here's the booklet, and it mimics the cover art just nice. And they have information on each of the movies, it appears. So this is really cool. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, this is a nice little bonus to have. I'm enjoying seeing this The Long Halloween. I think The Long Halloween was like a 2-movie set, if I recall, and now they're putting it into one, so that's fine. Love that booklet. So then you get to so the front looks like you'd expect. On the back, they have all the posters for the movies and all the pertinent information. That's really cool. Now I'm going to unbox this. Now there are, oh shoot, so already a disc is falling out. I hate it when that happens, but oh well. So I'm going to take the digital codes off. Now, I was going to do a little giveaway, but and I might as well share this because I'm going to. They only gave me one code, and it's going to have all of them. I was going to give the ones that I already had digitally to people who commented, but I can't do that. You can still comment, but I can't give you anything anymore. So there's Mask of the Phantasm. Now, disappointingly, I mean, I guess they're consistent. They're all black, but they don't have the unique information on them except for the title. Some of the blacks look different. I wish that they had made labels exclusively for this set, so that would have been nice. Like, you know, this is a deluxe edition, I guess, and Doom by Gotham. So, you know, it's all consistent. It's all good. Be careful when you open it because some of the discs might have fallen out in transit. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Nice little compact set. Now, what are we going to do about this stinking little sticker? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tear it off a little bit. I might even cut it a little bit more off camera because I'm not going to do this tedious thing where I'm like surgically cutting a sticker. Maybe we'll do this. It's kind of hard to open this sometimes. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to put the sticker right there. I'm going to, well, I'll probably move it a little, like just like put it, yeah, we'll put it there. So yeah, there. Now it's on display. People know. Probably still has lost a little bit of value because, you know, I opened it, and that's one of the problems when you have limited edition numbered sets and they number them in that specific way. That is that's frustrating. But anyway, there's the 85th anniversary 10 film Batman collection. Again, none of the live actions, and I think it's a pretty decent selection. Some of these movies are, of course, better than others. I personally didn't care much for Batman Year One, but I think I like, and Batman and Harley Quinn is definitely a weird one. But I think I like most of these, and of course Mask of the Phantasm, which is available on 4K individually. That's fine. But some of these, to my knowledge, they're exclusive to 4K in this set. I don't know if they're going to be made available individually. So at the moment, this is the only way you can get it. But again, they're limited to 3,000 copies. So if you want it, I would get your copy now. In the meantime, what one of these Batman movies is your favorite? Are there animated movies here that you do not see that you wish they would have included? I would love to know, so comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.